Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of my 6-part wedding hairstyle series where I show you guys 3 do-it-yourself bridal hairstyles and 3 bridesmaid hairstyles to complement the bride. If you haven't seen my previous video of my braided ponytail bridal hair tutorial, I'll link it below, and this one will be the bridesmaid version to complement the bride. Let's get started. As usual, I'm starting off by putting in my Luxury for Princess extensions in the color Frosted Blonde. I'll have them linked down below in the description box. Then I'm going to detangle my hair using my favorite detangling brush. I'm grabbing 2 sections of hair and tying them together with a clear elastic. Then I'm doing a topsy and then gently pulling out pieces to add a little bit of volume. Then I'm going to grab 2 more sections of hair and tie them with a clear elastic and do another topsy and pull pieces out for volume. For the last 2 sections, I'm going to tie them together with an elastic to do a topsy. And then I'm going to twist it to create a loop and then pull my entire ponytail through. Then I'm going to adjust and pull it out to add a little bit more volume. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for tomorrow's bridal look.